last week I forked an open source project. In the 8 months since that code was written, a bug was introduced into the JavaScript framework. I've never used that framework before, so it took me 3 hours to track down and fix the problem. Our tool can solve it in under 2 minutes. So I'm showing you the bug. There's an error message that occurs. As soon as the error message appears, our tool starts the research process in the background. It's searching GitHub, and now it's found GitHub issues, so I could start manually investigating the most likely messages. So I can open them in another web browser, so I can manually review. At the same time, the tool is also reading the GitHub issues on its own and looking for any type of code fixes or workarounds in the comments. And it's going to propose a code change to me if it finds one. So I don't even have to be reading through the GitHub issues. I'm speeding through this because I know what the problem looks like, but it would probably take me a lot longer to read through these possible candidates. And instead, what I will have is a notification will appear once the tool has proposed a code change. Our tool has combined the available information with our code to explain the problems in the terms of the code that I have written and propose a specific fix. I can use our other feature that takes high-level task descriptions and generates code changes across multiple files to apply this proposal. I have the option to directly edit the proposal, or not shown, I can ask follow-up questions in the next cell of this chat notebook. For example, if I want to know why this bug occurs. But I'm choosing just to accept the changes, and we see the tool is selecting individual ranges in my file to replace. It's not regenerating the entire file. And now I'm going to test and see if the fix worked. Making an API request, and it succeeds this time. So there you have it. In under 2 minutes, our tool has found and fixed the bug by itself without us having to do anything. And boy, I wish I had this tool earlier.